Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's cooking in the world of food and wellness? Welcome to Watchwire News, your go-to channel for all things trending. Today, we're serving up some brain-boosting news that's sure to perk you up. Are you tired of feeling like you're not getting enough mental stimulation? Well, buckle up because we've got a recipe for improved memory that's as simple as it is delicious. Say hello to the power of food. Yes, you read that right. Certain foods have been shown to improve brain function and memory, and we're about to dish out the top 8. From omega-3 rich salmon to antioxidant-packed berries, these foods are like a brain-fueled superpower for your mind. And if you're wondering which ones made the cut, well, let's just say it's a list that includes some familiar friends. Now we know what you're thinking. What about the other ingredients? Well, folks at Watchwire News have got you covered with our top 10 kitchen decor hacks to save space and keep your kitchen tidy. From a pegboard to a pot rack, these tricks are like a culinary lifesaver for busy home cooks. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of kitchen organization, let's talk about something that might be on your mind, or rather, on your wrist. Apple Watch's Workout Buddy is an AI coach that talks you through workouts, and it's like having your own personal trainer in the palm of your hand. Now, when it comes to staying active and healthy, we all know the importance of a good workout routine. But what about those brainy benefits? Well, research has shown that exercise can improve cognitive function, boost mood, and even reduce stress levels. At Watchwire News, we're all about keeping you informed on the latest trends and must-haves. So, when it comes to food for thought, literally, stay tuned for our next episode where we'll be counting down the top 10 brain exercises that can help improve memory. In the meantime, keep those neurons firing with these delicious foods and kitchen hacks. And remember, a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. See you in the next video from Watchwire News.